glass, like this one. It's a funny one. You will need some nice clean water, some oil, 2 food colourings, and some of these. Look what they are, look. First we're going to add some water. Put it to there. Let's do it. I'll stop there. Now you need some food colouring. I've got blue and red, but I'm not going to use 2 because you don't need 2, you just need 1. I'm going to use red today. I feel like it. A few drops. That's enough. Now guys, we're going to add some oil and we're going to almost fill it up to the top. Are you ready to watch some magic? Time for the magic. First, we'll need some of these. Now, guys, you have to be very careful. You have to not put these near your mouth because these are medicines. And next time, you ask the grown-up to help. I'm going to ask my mummy. Now, guys, it is time for us to drop the magic pill into the lava lamp. Watch this magic or you won't know how to do it. Plop. Look at it, guys. Wow. Looks so cool. It's sucking up. Wow, it went up and then the pill went down and then it's sucking it up. So it's hard to go down. It's trying it to go down. Oh, there it is. It's like a fire at the top, so it stops at the top. You might not want to cover it up because it won't do anything. It does make bubbles on the top, so it won't explode anyway, so that's good. It's turning pink at the top. Thanks for watching my magic experiment. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, leave the link up here. Turn on notifications, leave the link up here. And give a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you like this video. Goodbye.